equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the RAM in your Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical damage during this process. Next, place your laptop on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, you'll see the internal components of your laptop. Take a moment to observe the layout, as this will help you during the RAM replacement. Now, locate the RAM slots. The Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB usually has 2 slots, and you may find one or both occupied. If you're upgrading, you'll need to remove the existing RAM. To do this, gently push the clips on either side of the RAM module away from it. The RAM should pop up at an angle, allowing you to pull it out carefully. Before inserting the new RAM, it's a good idea to clean the area around the slots. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in top shape. Now, take your new RAM module and align it with the slot. Insert it at a 30-degree angle, then press down firmly until the clips click into place. Ensure it's securely seated. If you're adding a second module, repeat this process for the other slot. Once the new RAM is installed, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could strip the screws. Before powering on your laptop, it's wise to double-check that everything is in order. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Now, plug your laptop back in and power it on. Once it boots up, check the system properties to confirm that the new RAM is recognized. You should see an increase in performance, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Enjoy your upgraded Lenovo Yoga 720-15 IKB. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.